Do you want to delete a comment you left on Instagram? Maybe something you regret? Or you just want to clean up your account a little bit? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Instagram comments in the newest update, so make sure you follow my steps until the very end. So the first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app, and then you'll want to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This takes you straight to your main profile page. Once you're here, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open a menu with a bunch of different options, but the one we need is called Your Activity. Let's open that. You'll now be taken to a page where Instagram shows everything you've done on your account, likes, comments, and so on. Right at the top, you'll see the interaction section. Tap on Comments, which is right under the likes option. This will open your full comment history, every single comment you've ever made on your posts or on someone else's posts. What's useful here is that you can filter your comments from newest to oldest or from oldest to newest, which makes it a lot easier to find the specific comment you're looking for. Now, when you find the comment you want to delete, tap on the Select button in the top right corner. Then just tap the comment you want to remove. You'll see a little check mark appear. After that, the Delete button will show up at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will pop up a message asking if you're sure you want to delete it, so just confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's pretty much it. You can delete one comment, or you can select multiple comments at once if you want to clean up your account a bit more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.